Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 summer Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board outfits that I'm lusting over, can't wait to recreate, and use the clothes that I already have in my wardrobe to recreate them. Really cool fun ones, but before we jump into the outfits, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is COSY Island. I'd heard about them all over TikTok, and then one of my other favorite creators here on YouTube also just did a video with them, and I was like, ooh, I'm intrigued. So when they reached out, I was like, yes. If you guys know me at all, you know I'm a comfort over pretty much anything when it comes to my shoes. Like, let me just put this in perspective. The only shoes that touched my feet were Birkenstocks for probably a solid 3 to 4 years. I'm not even kidding you. I just loved them so much, mostly because they were just easy and comfortable. And I've started to realize that just because a shoe is cute doesn't mean it's uncomfortable. That's what it used to be back in the day, but now they've just progressed so much. And COSY Island is like that perfect mix of comfortability with like cuteness. So I'm going to show you all 4 of the outfits. I'm going to use their shoes to style with them. But with look number 1, I believe this is Carolyn, I think. So cute. I love everything about this, and I've had this on my Pinterest board forever, and I was just like, I don't think I'll ever find those shoes. Turns out I did. COSY Island. So let's go ahead and put this together. So she has a white little mini skirt, which looked so cute. So I'm gonna throw on my Gap one. Really, like I'm gonna have to adjust the camera for how tall these heels are, because you guys are not prepared. But when I put them on, I was like, dang, why do I not wear heels all the time? Because these make my legs look so good. So any like oversized denim shirt, this is like my favorite. I literally wore this yesterday. I wear this shirt all the time, and I love how these shirts can just be like so effortlessly styled up or styled down. Like, they're just so good. Okay, so this is the base of the outfit. Let's put on the shoes. Okay, the denim doesn't match perfectly, but that doesn't matter because it's denim. Like, denim doesn't need to match, in my opinion. I can just slip these on personally because the band is a little stretchy in the back. It just slides over perfectly. I'm sorry, they're so cute. They are literally like Barbie shoes. Next up, you guys, when I saw these shoes, these were like shoes of my dreams. I honestly love a platform like this, and I feel like it's coming back. This was a very popular style shoe when I was in college. I'm so excited it's coming back, and I love it in denim. I just think it's so fun. I love to use denim throughout my outfits. I go true to size with all of them, and I feel like they fit me. Well, I will say I'm between a 6.5 and a 7, and I went to a 7. And I feel like they fit me perfectly. So if in between a half size, I would go to your larger size. I bet the shoes she's wearing in the picture aren't nearly as comfortable as these are. Are these not like absolute perfection? I feel like a Barbie. I'm dead. Like, these are so good. So cute, so comfortable. I need to wear these ASAP. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're so fun. I love the denim for the summer. Again, with like an all white outfit, I think would look so cute. You could obviously continue with the denim theme like I did in this look, but you don't have to. You could do a bright color on top. You could do literally anything. Denim is like a neutral, so it works. So her, me, how do we do? I think we nailed it, you guys. I think this is such a fun summer look. And you can't tell me that my calves don't like eat. Do I have a giant? Also, my dog like ran into the back of my leg and gave me a giant bruise because he needed to go down the stairs first. Clearly, I didn't get that memo, but love. Also, it would be really fun with this. It's like a chunky beaded necklace. That would be something that I would do for like a fun pop. But these are so fun and just a cute little like girls' night out sort of look. I'm gonna need to text my friends and schedule a dinner. Okay, that was the first pair. Let's move on to the second outfit and style the second pair. So the second outfit, she has like a baggy jean. I'm gonna try to use my Goldie ones. I don't know if it's gonna get the same vibe done, but we're styling the pointed toe sling back, or they're not sling back, pointed toe mules. This is a shoe style that is very popular right now, but not typically within my like comfort zone. So really wanted to push myself out and kind of try to style these. And then it turns out I had already had outfits on my Pinterest board that I liked, styling shoes that looked exactly like this. So I thought these would be fun to kind of push myself out of my comfort zone and try. So this has got the breathable material up here, which makes it really comfortable for the hot weather. This has a more squared heel, so it's a little bit easier for walking, but so cute. And I love the chocolate brown in these so much. So let's put on a little brown tank and then some white, like oversized pants. Hopefully, we'll see. This one might be a little bit out there, but we're gonna try anyways. I love this color of brown tank top. I've had it for a couple of years now. Super old, from Target, but I'm trying to see if these jeans will do what I need them to do. I don't have a ton of hope, I'm not gonna lie to you, but we'll see. Okay, let's put this roll down. Okay, I think it might work. All right. Cute, base on. So just, these are barrel jeans. I don't know if I would have picked these specifically, but the other jeans that I have are more of like slim. So I think they might actually look really cute with these pointed toe heels. Okay, I'm liking, and the gold is gonna match the rest of my jewelry. Let's ignore the fact that I have silver on right now. These are actually really cute. A pointed toe just makes the legs look like infinitely longer, especially with like a wide legged pair of pants. Okay, now she has a brown belt on, so let's do that. And this one actually has silver in it, so it's like mixed metals, so I think it'll work. This brown matches definitely the shoes more than the shirt. That's okay. The shirt's more of like a cooler taupey situation. This is cute. She's cute. And then she has a gold necklace. So let's put this on, and this again matches the gold buckles in the belt as well as the shoes. We could keep our silver earrings on because there's silver in my watch and in the belt. What do you guys think? How'd I do? I feel like this turned out cute. These are really, really, really comfortable. Again, like I don't feel like they're slipping off my feet because the soles are kind of grippy. Like the insole, it's interesting. But these are cute. Like this is something I could actually wear and not die. It's just something like getting me out of my comfort zone. Trying new things, which is what I love about these videos and what I'm loving about these Cozy Island shoes. So I was look number 2. I think we nailed it. It's definitely interesting, definitely different, but I'm kind of here for it. So this hair is kind of crazy today, but when isn't, you know? All right, let's move on to look number 3. And the look that's like so me, you're gonna be like, okay girl, we get it. But like, it's me just with added comfort, okay? Let's move on to look number 3. My gosh, you guys, Arlo is so stinking cute. We started golf camp yesterday and he's obsessed, but I could tell he was a little nervous because he's the youngest one there. You typically have to be 7 to 14, so he's definitely a youngin', but he's really good at golf, so I think it was like kind of like scary for him at first. So this morning when he gets in the car, he was like, okay, today I'm not gonna be shy. And if you know Arlo, you know that kid doesn't have a shy bone in his body. So like, this is like a very, I don't know, just like a new life skill that I feel like he's learning. But I feel like we're now on this like new path of him being 6 years old that we're gonna have started having like deeper conversations. And I'm like, not prepared, but whatever. Anyway, you guys know I get sidetracked. All right, let's move on to the third look. Black tank, fun belt, cute shoe. Let's do it. I also am going to continue mixing metals because I'm fine with it. If you're not, then don't. But the belt that I have is going to be silver. So let's put on our Uniqlo jeans. These are slightly wrinkled because I just let them air dry yesterday. But they're like the perfect like slouchy medium wash jean for the summer. So let's pop. So my mirror for my bathroom just got delivered today, which I'm so excited about. We needed a taller mirror, so I'm like, I think by Friday my hardware comes in, not all of it, but some of it, and then just have a couple last minute finishing touches for the bathroom, and I'm so excited with how it turned out. And I'm hoping my mirror is good, but it was like shockingly cheap, so that's why I'm like questioning if it's even good. I was questioning if it's even gonna arrive because I'm like, is this a typo? Whatever, let's put on a black tank. This is a tuckeroonie. I love the shape of this tank top. It's just really flattering. Okay, next up, like I said, she has a studded belt. This is like the star of the show. This one from Quince a while ago, and I feel like I use my belts a lot more in the fall, and I'm like, why? Because belts are a great way to add like interest to an outfit, but not like a ton of weight. So this one definitely I think works better with higher waisted pants, but it's fine. Okay, and then she has little black buckled shoes, and these are why didn't I save this for the last? I always do this. I love a thick buckled sandal like this. I find them so insanely comfortable, so practical for my mom life, and these just like brought it up a next level. Look at the cushioning on the sole of this. It's kind of incredible. I also love the tweed texture that this has on the top. These just look so much more elevated than like a basic Birkin. Love how thick and chunky the sole is, and just think that the black with the gold is so chic. I don't really gravitate towards black sandals, and I don't know why, because these are so cute. And the squishy bottom reminds me of like a Chanel like quilt. It's so good. They're so comfortable. These are so cute. What do we think? How'd I do? Her, me, I think I nailed this one too. I think this is so cute and like totally right up my alley, and I'm loving these sandals. Oh my gosh. Except you can't see my pinky toe. Where's my pinky toe? Oh, there we go. I'm like, where's my pinky toe? It looks like I have 4 toes. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, that was look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. And the look that's kind of like, I'm excited for, because I'm like, how is this gonna look? I believe it, is this Dua Lipa? I know nothing. It's probably not even her, so I'm just wasting my time. Anyway, I know nothing about that, but she has like a pair of jeans and then a striped button down. So let's put on a more like, not ankle-ish, but that's what I'm kind of thinking with these. These might be too short, but I'm gonna see if they look good. If not, we'll pivot, but let's try them on. Yeah, these might be shorter than I had thought they were. I love these jeans because they're kind of like a mid-rise jean from Zara. They're so cute. Let's see how these look with this before I decide though. For like a shoe that my mom wore pretty much every day in the 2000s. She loved a heeled like mule slide like this. She was obsessed with it, and I look at these and I'm like, this gives grown woman. And for some reason at my ripe age of 36, feel like I'm not grown enough to wear these, but we are going to test that today. Also have like almost like a microfiber material on the inside, so you don't feel like you're like slipping out of them. They kind of grip and hold, so you're not using your toes to grip, if you know what I mean. Then your toes hurt by the end of the day. So cute. Again, non-slip grip. And these have that same sort of textured material as the last sandals that I showed you, but I think these are so chic. Honestly, do these need to be longer? I don't know. I think they might need to be longer jeans. These are cute though, honestly, with this. I'm not mad at it. Is it weird because they're an ankle jean? I feel like ankle jeans are gonna come back though. As everything does. I'm not a fortune teller, I swear. Future teller, future fortune, whatever. Anyway, let's keep following the process. I think she has a longer pair of jeans, but I honestly thought these would be cute. Let's put on a straight button. Okay. These might in fact look better with a longer pair of jeans, but I don't think it looks bad. I just feel like it could look better. What do you guys think? It's cute. These shoes are so cute. But I don't know if I could do a longer pair of jeans to get it more accurate to hers. But anyway, this is the look. Oh, I think she has a brown belt on. Maybe that would tie it together too. Hold on. They also offer these shoes in so many different colors as well, and textures and patterns and prints and all the things. I feel like that ties in the shoe a little bit more. So I definitely could use a fuller pair of jeans if I wanted to, but I think these are really quite cute. Made my legs look very long, don't they? Alright, here are these little pointed, like kind of square-toed little slip-on mules, and I thought these were so cute. I have a full pair of flats like this, but they have a back which does really irritate my foot, but I still wear them because they're cute. But this is like something that you don't have to do both, and it's like you could wear these all day and just not have to have a second pair of shoes or know that you're gonna blister like nobody's business. So look at the sole of this. It's insanely squishy. They also use a lot of eco-friendly reusable materials to create their shoes as well. Stretchy, adjustable clasps here. Love this raffia design, like perfect for the summertime. And these pads, they also come with a couple of extra pads depending on what shoes you order as well. Very nice little block heel. It's got the rubber sole so you're not gonna slip, which is very, very important. So I think these are super cute. I think these would look great with a little dress. These would look great with jeans, just pretty much anything. Very subtle, very cute. So those are my top picks from Cozy Island. So if you've not checked them out, if you've not seen them all over your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it may be, I will have all the details in the description box down below so you can check them out and browse. Whether you're somebody who walks on their feet all the time, whether you're somebody who is looking for more of an elevated heel, but you still want to be comfortable. Because for me, like, if it's not comfortable, I'm not wearing it. So that's it, you guys. Those are my 4 summer Pinterest outfits I recreated featuring Cozy Island. If you have not checked them out, I will have all the details in the description box down below. As always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was as well as your favorite shoes. Definitely my favorite shoes are the blue ones for like a fun. And then runner-up is the black sandals because they're just so cute. These are so like grown. I can't wait to wear these like out and about, you know. But anyways, big shout out to them for partnering with me on today's video. Like I said, I will have everything in the description box down below. And yeah, love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching.